Hello everyone. Today's video will be an updated guide on how to get any Discord server tag for your Discord profile. This is completely free. You do not need any server boosts, you do not need Nitro, you do not need anything on your Discord account to get a server tag on it. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can get any server tag you want. So the first thing you want to do here is you're going to go to the bottom left here and click on the Discover tab. Once you go here, you'll go into the Servers tab, and you'll go in the top right into the search bar here. In the search bar, you're going to look up Guild Tags List. You're going to press enter, and there will be a server that will pop up called Guild Tags List. And the description is, still don't have a Discord guild tag? Well, join our server and get a Discord guild tag instantly. So all you're going to do is join this server. You're going to click on join on the very top here. And once you're in, there'll be a list of channels on the left side here. And as you can see, pretty much everyone in this server is actually in a guild and has a guild tag, which makes it pretty actually unique to see. If you look through any member list for most servers, you will typically not see everyone being inside of a guild. But anyways, we're going to go to the channels list on the left side here, and the very top one under guild list will be free guild tags. You're going to click on this forum section, and in this forum section there will be a list of plenty of different guild tags that you can get. So as you can see, there's in brackets you can see all the different guild tags here, such as puppy, cat, puff, dino, and there's so many different ones you could choose from. So I'm just going to scroll down. I'm going to choose the star one, for example. I'm going to click on this forum post, and there will be a server that is associated with this guild tag. So for this one is star, so we're going to click join server on this server here, as it's inside of this forum post here. We're going to click join and join this server to get this star tag. Now essentially we're just going to go through this and basically just sign up for the server essentially, and get into the server. We'll just skip and finish, and now I should be inside of the server. Once I finish, there we go. So now we're inside the server. They also have a get the star tag channel, which not every single server will have a channel dedicated for this, but this one does. But anyways, all you're going to do once you're inside of the server that is associated with this specific tag in this server here, you're going to go into your user settings on the bottom left here. From here, you're going to go to the Profiles tab here on the left, and then you'll have to scroll down at the very bottom here, and you'll see a section called Server Tag, and it'll be a new feature. Just a quick note, if you're not in any server that has a server tag in it, you will not see this option inside of this tab in your Profiles section. So, since I have a server with the tag in it, this section does appear, and now that it is appeared here, we can now click select and choose the tag star right here. Once you do that, it'll automatically be applied to your profile, and as you can see, if we go to my profile here and open my profile up, we can see that the star tag is now displayed on my profile, which is actually really clean, and especially considering you could basically customize this to any tag, because I'm going to assume that there is a server for literally any tag you could probably think of, especially since there is only so many different combinations for desirable tags that come in 4 letters or less. But anyways, if you want to get another tag for your profile, you could simply join another server that has a tag. So for example, if I wanted the pro tag, I could simply join this server that is linked in this forum here. I will join this server. I'll finish my experience setup. So we'll just finish this. English, development. Essentially, you could do whatever you'd like here as long as you get into the server. Then you will get accepted into the server, hopefully, eventually. There we go. And if I go back to my user settings here and go back to the profiles section and scroll back down to tags, we could see that under the drop box, we could see the star and the pro tag both inside of this list. So if I switched it to the pro tag and exited out and went to my profile, we could see that the pro tag is now listed on my Discord account. And we could always click on the tag itself and view the server that it's in as well. So that's another feature. If you go to anyone's profile, for example this profile here, and you click on the tag of the server that they're in, then you could see the server that the tag is associated with, and you could click go to server and join the server. And if you'd like to remove the tag, simply just click the X button beside it and it will be removed from your Discord profile. Another thing I'd like to note is if you want to add tags to your Discord server, you have to actually have a certain amount of boosts. I believe it's level 2 or 3, and then you could actually create a server tag that's not already created for your Discord server. But that's a conversation for another video. As well as they actually updated the avatar section, so you could actually have 6 of your most recent avatars saved on file. So I've only had one avatar here, but if you had multiple avatar changes throughout, I don't know, past couple months or something, or past couple years, you'll see the old ones here in case you have actually lost the file, and you could simply click on it to switch the profile, which is a pretty cool mini update that they've done to the profile section. Anyways guys, before the end of this video, I hope that you would subscribe as I make lots of different Discord tutorials, and I also make some pretty cool Minecraft shorts. If you do want to see more content in the future, please like this video and share it with your friends, as I know they probably want to get their own server tags as well. Another thing is, once we hit 2,000 subscribers, which we are getting very close to, I'll be hosting a Nitro giveaway on my Discord server for 3 months of Nitro to 3 different winners. So make sure to join my Discord server. It will be linked in the description below, and I'll see you guys in the next Discord tutorial and or Minecraft short. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.